Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's bowl off with some cricket. International cricket was back at Sabina Park on Thursday. But while many were happy to be witnessing pre-World Cup flavour, they were blighted by viewing inadequacies. More from Jerome Foster.
A moment which is rarely heard or seen in an international game, where the television umpire was giving the final decision to the on-field umpire after review.
Batter is short of the ground. I am ready to make my decision for the big screen. Sorry, I'm ready to go back on field to Joel. Big screen is not operational.
Good work from South Africa.
Disturbing for regional and global onlookers, but an even more difficult pill to swallow for the over 12,000 fans who were in attendance. A small digital screen as well as the manual scoreboard, hundreds of yards away, were the alternatives, not welcomed by the fans in attendance.
Of course it affects us because I have to be following on my phone. I mean, why is the scoreboard not working? But I guess we haven't had any cricket in 2 years, so no revenue, right? So it is what it is, but we are here now supporting and we're grateful for the match.
There was the biggest scoreboard over there, but I don't know how long they stop it and they don't fix it. Long time this ground needs a maintenance, man. I don't know why they stop the matches here. We love to watch cricket in Jamaica. We love to watch for any country come. We love to come here first, always.
JCA CEO Courtney Francis said there were several contributing factors.
Personally, let me apologize to the public for what has happened yesterday. What you notice, I would have had a replay screen board over the small scoreboard, and that would not have been adequate to provide the scores for all the persons within the park. However, though, you'll see us here, and I will not leave here this evening until it is fixed. We had some challenges yesterday, some low voltage, and so we are here now today. We tested it last night, we're testing it again today, and we will test it again tomorrow morning to ensure that the next two matches, Saturday and Sunday, our patrons will have the viewing from this scoreboard.
But for Francis, this was a situation waiting to happen given the struggles with the primary scoreboard, which was commissioned in 2007.
Well, it wouldn't be feasible to be repaired because the technology for that scoreboard is old. It has been here from 2007. I have an appreciation that technology moves very fast when it comes down to those sort of stuff. It is in the region of about 200 million Jamaican dollars for a brand new scoreboard, and that is why we would not have been able to afford that. If we had gotten the World Cup, then that would have been part of the cost associated with bidding. And also with the Indian Eye Commission, along through the Ministry of Sports, we are hopeful, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed based on the information that I've had to date, that we will be having a scoreboard within at least 6 months from now.
However, for the remainder of the series against South Africa, there is an alternative for the fans and officials who are ready for the weekend.
It's a rental board, and we have the software that we have to match with the board, and we have some power surge over here, so we are trying to get the electricians now to get it up and ready. One other thing about the park is the park is being pressured electrically for the first time in many moons, albeit football is played there. The football is about the bowl, and so with all the boxes now being utilized and all those other stuff, the load there is significantly higher, and so therefore that was part of the challenges for day one. But we have gotten all the materials required based on the expertise that we have, and that's why we are here now to ensure that our patrons don't go to the same inconvenience as they did the first game.
Francis also expects a bumper crowd for Saturday's contest. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.